Look up at the night sky. What do you see? A velvet black blanket sprinkled with tiny distant lights. For all of human history, we have gazed upon this cosmic ocean. We have wondered what lies beyond our world. This curiosity is part of who we are. It's a deep, fundamental pull towards the unknown. The stars are not just beautiful points of light. They are other suns. They are distant worlds. They are the homes of possibilities we can only dream of. Space is the grandest stage, and its story is our story, a tale of origins and destinies waiting to be discovered. The universe calls to us. It whispers secrets in the language of light and gravity. Every discovery, every new image from a powerful telescope is like finding a new page in a book with infinite chapters. We are explorers by nature. Our ancestors crossed vast oceans not knowing what they would find on the other side. Today, we build starships, our modern-day vessels, to cross the even vaster ocean of space. The thrill of exploration is the same. It is the desire to know, to see what no one has seen before, and to understand our place in this immense cosmos. Imagine you are floating in the quiet of space. Earth is a beautiful blue and white marble below you. The silence is profound, broken only by the sound of your own breathing. All around you, the universe stretches out in every direction. It's a feeling of both incredible smallness and immense connection. You are a tiny part of this grand cosmic dance, yet you are also a witness to its majesty. This personal connection to the cosmos is what fuels our journey. It's a humbling, awe-inspiring experience that changes how you see everything, forever. This essay is not about the facts you already know. It's not about the moon landing or the names of the planets in our solar system. We are going deeper. We are venturing into the shadows, to the places where the stories are strange and the answers are not yet clear. We will explore the untold tales, the weird phenomena, and the surprising truths that scientists are still grappling with. The universe is full of secrets, and it's time we started to unveil them. Prepare to have your mind expanded. The cosmos is waiting. Imagine you are driving a car, and you feel a mysterious force pulling you off the road. You can't see what's pulling you, but you can feel its immense strength. Now imagine this on a galactic scale. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, along with thousands of other nearby galaxies, is being pulled. We are all moving at an incredible speed, over 2 million kilometers per hour, towards a single, unseen point in space. Scientists call this point the Great Attractor. It is a gravitational anomaly, a puzzle that we are still trying to solve, hidden from our direct view. The reason we can't see the Great Attractor is because it lies behind the center of our own galaxy. This region, known as the Zone of Avoidance, is crowded with stars, gas, and cosmic dust. It's like trying to see a distant mountain through a thick, dense fog. This cosmic dust blocks most of the visible light, making it incredibly difficult for our telescopes to get a clear picture of what's on the other side. So we know something massive is there, tugging on us and our cosmic neighbors. But its true nature remains shrouded in mystery, a cosmic ghost in the machine. What could the Great Attractor be? The leading theory is that it is a massive concentration of matter. Perhaps it is a gigantic supercluster of galaxies, far larger and denser than anything we have ever observed directly. Its gravitational pull would be so immense that it could easily influence the motion of thousands of galaxies across hundreds of millions of light-years. We are all part of a vast cosmic river flowing towards this hidden destination. It's a reminder that even on the largest scales, the universe is governed by forces we are only just beginning to comprehend. Think about that for a moment. Our entire galaxy is on a journey to an unknown destination. We are passengers on a starship called the Milky Way, and we don't even know what's pulling us forward. It's a profound and humbling thought. This mystery shows us how much we still have to learn. The Great Attractor is not a monster. It is a feature of the cosmic web, the grand structure of the universe. Uncovering its secrets will help us understand the very architecture of reality and the forces that shaped everything we see. When astronauts return from a spacewalk, they bring a little bit of the cosmos back with them. Their spacesuits and equipment carry a distinct and peculiar odor. What does space smell like? According to those who have experienced it, it's a surprisingly strong scent. They describe it as a mix of seared steak, hot metal, and welding fumes. It's a sharp, metallic, and slightly burnt aroma. This smell is likely caused by high-energy vibrations of tiny particles that cling to their suits, a souvenir from the vacuum of space. This smell of space is thought to come from several sources. One major contributor is polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs. These are molecules that drift through the cosmos, often formed in the dying gasps of old stars or in the clouds where new stars are born. When astronauts are outside the space station, these particles attach to the fabric of their suits. Once back inside and repressurized, the molecules off gas, releasing that unique odor. It's the scent of star stuff, a direct chemical link to the processes that build galaxies and worlds. But the sensory experience doesn't stop with smell. Being in a zero-gravity environment profoundly changes the human body. For example, astronauts often experience a condition called space face or puffy head. Without gravity to pull bodily fluids down towards their feet, the fluids shift upwards into the chest and head. This causes their faces to become puffy and their sinuses to feel congested, as if they have a permanent head cold. They also lose their sense of taste, which is why many astronauts crave spicy and strongly flavored foods while in orbit. Imagine floating weightlessly, your face feeling full and your food tasting bland. Then, after a long day of work outside, you come back in and are greeted by the smell of a cosmic barbecue. These are the small human realities of living in an environment not made for us. They are not the grand, dramatic challenges you see in movies, but they are part of the daily life of an explorer. These sensory details help bridge the gap between us on Earth and those who venture into the great beyond, making their extraordinary experience a little more relatable. The untold stories of space, the cosmic pulls, the strange smells, the human challenges, are more than just trivia. They are clues. They are pieces of a grand puzzle that we are slowly, patiently putting together. Every mystery we solve, like the nature of the great attractor, gives us a clearer picture of the universe's structure and its history. Every unexpected challenge we overcome in space teaches us more about ourselves and our own biology. These secrets matter because they are part of our larger quest for understanding. They drive our innovation and fuel our dreams of what's next. The future of space exploration is incredibly bright. We stand on the verge of a new era of discovery. With powerful new instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope, we are peering back in time to the dawn of the first galaxies. We are searching for signs of life on the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. We are building the technologies that will one day carry humans to Mars and perhaps beyond. The journey is just beginning. The stories we have unveiled so far are merely the opening lines in a much longer, more epic cosmic saga. Why should we continue to reach for the stars? Because it is in our nature to explore, but also because the perspective of space changes us for the better. When we see our planet from afar, a fragile, beautiful oasis in the vast, dark emptiness, we are reminded of how precious it is. We are reminded that we are all crew members on Spaceship Earth. The challenges of space exploration force us to be our best selves, more cooperative, more innovative, and more forward-thinking. The lessons we learn out there can help us solve our problems down here. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember these untold stories. Remember the immense invisible forces shaping our galactic journey. Remember the strange metallic scent of the cosmos. And remember that we are part of this grand unfolding narrative. The universe is not a silent, empty void. It is a place of wonder, mystery, and endless possibility. Our future is not confined to this one small world. It is written in the stars, waiting for us to read it. Our journey continues.